Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's my cat. Anyway, it's been a while. It's been it's been 5 months since my last unboxing, and I have a few unboxings I'm behind on, and well, I got COVID and it kind of put me in rundown mode for a long time, and I've just been kind of doing shorts because I don't have the energy to get on camera, so here I finally am again. Yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing featuring Evie. This is a surprise unboxing. Oh my god. Basically, it's a bag that like everybody's obsessed with right now, but I'm kind of having second thoughts about it because it isn't the color I wanted. So I'm like, I feel like I'm settling. I don't know how I'm going to feel about it, but we'll see what happens when I open it up and, try it out. Here we go. Oh my god, the box is getting dusty. I've had the box sitting here for like a month. Now let's see, did they gift wrap it this time? I don't know. They almost never gift wrap when I ask. It's a sad, sad thing. Oh, of course they didn't gift wrap. Yep. Called that. I had a feeling. Customer service. Oh, this is actually kind of big. Can you guess what it is? I think you can guess what it is. It's like I'm trying not to be disappointed by that fact, but it is disappointing when I ask for a gift box because I'd like to store it. Oh, and they taped the tag to here like they wanted me to rip it off by accident, so they can't return it. No thank you. Sneaky buggers. That was very tricky of them. Okay, I'm already not liking this. So, I have the Quilted Tabby, the 20, and it is in the, I think it's called Vivid Purple or something like that anyway. But the hardware is silver, and that's like the main reason I'm like not into this bag, because it's got the gold hardware, and then of course it's made out of brass, so it's like I can feel that there is a difference in weight. Definitely. It's not a light, like the chain on my other tabby, I'll grab it and show you, is so much lighter. So yeah. Let's just open this up and check out the room in it though. Oh, no. There's a line on it. There's a crease on the leather, first of all. Am I picky or what? You see that crease? Yeah, Evie sees it. Right there. It does not buff out. So, okay, first of all, no. Not happy about that. Heavy, this is heavy. I can feel how heavy this buckle is. Substantially heavier compared to the other one. I guess I'm gonna have to take a trip to Coach to return this and exchange in person, because I never have problems when I go in person to the retail store, but when I order online it's just really iffy with what they're gonna send me. Oh, and what is this? There's some sort of gunk on the sea as well. Look at that. I spend a lot of money at Coach, and this is the quality control. Gotta love it. I'm wanting to like just stop spending money on Coach and actually start buying higher end luxury bags, because I feel like sometimes I get bummed out. That just disappoints me a lot.